This formal mother of the bride dress is floor length and needs to be shortened to T-length or perhaps shorter. How do you deal with a massive length like this and figure out how short to go and then do it? I'll show you how. The mother of the bride found out the mother of the groom would be wearing a shorter dress, so decided it made sense to shorten hers. It would certainly be more comfortable at a shorter length, right? So here's what I do when something is far too long for preference. I just cut off a conservative amount to start with, have the client back for a fitting, and then when it's at a more reasonable length to work with, we figure out how much more to cut off and then narrow hem. Yet the question remains, how much to cut off conservatively at first? Well, I just took my 15-inch ruler and started there. I took 15 inches off each layer, and we'll see where we're at when she returns for her fitting. Okay, guess what? When the client returned for her fitting, we discovered the length was perfect. That means onward to hemming, and my preference is to use the hem feature on my serger for the chiffon layer and save the narrow hem foot maneuvering for the satin and lining layers. Click the eye to see those maneuvers in detail or at the video links in the description below. Here's why we got lucky on the length. You always want to cut way less than the goal length because the weight of the excess fabric pulls the layers down taut, so that when you cut off the excess, the fabric layers spring up higher than seems likely. Just saying. Cut conservatively and check. That's it. We're finished. Good job.